Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Sannappa Rajan. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to configure the analog value on the display, and you can read and write your analog value in display itself. Okay, so we can see how we can modify. Okay, so this is pre-programmed logic. Okay, um, so this I made in last video for controlling a AC, which temperature sensor will give you analog input as a 0 to 10 volt to a control to the controller. So the controller will monitor and it will give the start stop command for the AC as per the settings value. Okay, so we have analog input from the sensor and also the set value. Once the set value reaches beyond the once the set value input value reaches beyond the set value, the AC will start automatically. When the value goes down below the set value, so automatically it will stop. So this will keep on running as per the temperature increases as well as decreases. Okay, so for changing the temperature, how we can do without accessing parameter by computer or software on the display itself. Okay, we will see. So you can set your input value as a pressure unit, bar, or degree Celsius, or numbers, whatever unit you want as per your requirement. Okay, now we can see how we can read this value and the set value in bar. Okay, on the display itself. So how we can access the um, this analog value on the display itself. Okay, so we'll start now. In this select text block, value 1 I will give sensor value, value 2 I will give set value. Okay, for accessing this I will give one key input. By pressing key input we can access this text input. Okay, so this first input will be the room temperature TR. This will give in, sorry, degree Celsius. Okay, so you can use symbols also. For example, I am writing the word degree Celsius. Okay, this is set TR. TR means temperature. This is degree C. So now we are done. We will see how it is working. Okay, simulation run. Okay, so you can see our set value is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, so our input room temperature from sensor, it is showing 29 degrees Celsius. That means the temperature demand is there, so AC started, AC output started. Okay, so we will see on the display. This is our front panel. So the first key is configured, so press this first key. So you by pressing this key you can access this temperatures. Okay, so you can see room temperature now 29 degrees Celsius and set temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, when the value is goes or comes down, still you can see the value goes down and comes down. Okay, so by like this you can monitor or monitor your analog values on the display itself. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. For more videos please do subscribe. Okay, so in this next video we will see in different subject. Okay, till then, bye from Sannappa.